So you might be in this really random situation where for some reason no one can hear you on your iPhone call. So this can happen for a lot of different reasons. So let's say you're trying to go through and call somebody and the other person cannot hear you. The very first thing I'd recommend doing for the most part is to make sure that your particular device that you have, that you're not actually going through and on mute. So sometimes if I just go and pull up like the iPhone call screen, you just want to make sure you're not on mute. So taking a look here, you can see that if you're on mute right here, that is basically going to be the number one reason why somebody's going to run into this problem. So this little mute option right here, you want to make sure that's not enabled, because if it is, well then that's going to be the number one reason why you're running into this problem. So make sure you're not on mute, make sure you're unmuted, and then you want to see if that ends up working. Also, sometimes you may have some random signal issues. So sometimes what you may have to do here is just to make sure you're not having some random signal problem. So what I mean by this is, like I said before, sometimes your phone will just randomly run into some like problem where the signal's not working out well. So what you're going to have to do is get into an area that has better signal. That might be another thing you want to get into as well. Now, if that's not working, another thing you want to do is you also just want to go and make sure that your particular phone isn't covering up the particular, the microphones. If you have a very big case on your particular phone, that's another reason why some people can't hear you. Sometimes also, if you're using Bluetooth headphones or Bluetooth AirPods or whatever, sometimes those AirPods may have some weird microphone issue as well. So you may just want to make sure that if you can, try changing the way you're listening to the particular, audio. If you're calling the person via your AirPods or Bluetooth headphones or your car, try changing it via your speaker. And you can change it by actually just tapping on the speaker option here. Then you should be able to change it to like your car, your AirPods or whatever. Try doing that, and that could very well end up fixing the problem as well. So that pretty much covers it up here. If that still doesn't work, just try rebooting your iPhone and that could very well end up fixing it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.